Hey, and welcome back to another video doing a cabin air filter install on my Ram 1500. Let's get going. All right, that's a new intro there, just music I put together. Anyway, moving on here to the glove box. Got our cable here. Just gonna go ahead and push that forward, and then get on the inside there and just press it right out as you're pushing forward. That'll release it. All right, next you'll locate these two detents, one on either side. Just push them in, and glove box should drop right out. And you can see it's held in place by these hinges. And that's where your air filter will go. Not sure why Chrysler didn't include the faceplate on this model, but that's what we're going to do right here is cut that out. All right, got my razor knife. I attempted to do make some scores along the inside edge of that lip. Pretty unsuccessful. So I went and switched to my Dremel. And that seemed to do the job pretty good. Left the edges a little rough. You can clean those up later. And what I forgot to mention earlier is there is a wiring harness right there. You're going to go ahead and unplug that before you get started. That way you don't accidentally cut into it. There she is. Alright, this is our air filter. I'll put the product number down in the description along with the faceplate. And that's pretty much it. Just go ahead and install it, put the faceplate cover on, make sure to plug that wiring harness back in, and after that just reinstall your glove box. It's a pretty easy job, but now you'll have some fresh air. Alright, that about does it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching. As always, thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.